Today I'm going to de-winterize my plumbing system on my coach. Now, de-winterization is a lot of things, which includes checking the roof seals, the tire pressure, the LPG system, everything. So it's a long process. Today I'm just going to concentrate on the plumbing system. Very easy. We're just basically going to flush it out, and then we'll sanitize the freshwater tank, and we're done. Okay, I'm at the city inlet side of my coach. I've connected a fresh water hose. I'm going to turn the water on. I'm going to use this blue Camco filter as a pre-filter to all the water. This coach has a secondary in-house filter system. Again, that filter has not been installed yet. You don't want to do anything. You don't want to open the bypass on the water heater or install any filters yet. All you want to do is connect to the city inlet, and we're going to pressurize the system and then just see if anything is leaking, which could be either a busted pipe or a connection maybe I took apart and didn't put back together. That's the first thing we're going to do. So let's go turn the water on. Okay, we're at the kitchen sink. I'm just going to turn on the cold water. You see all the pink come out. I'm just going to let that run until I see clear, which shouldn't be long. It's already clear. I'm going to move it over to the hot. That'll take the air and the antifreeze out of the system. And I'm going to do this to all the faucets. So this, the bathroom faucet, the toilet, the shower, and the outside shower. Just run it until it runs clear. Okay, and I'm going to run the shower. I'll run the hot and the cold. Okay, and the bathroom sink. Okay, I'm underneath my rig and I'm looking at the freshwater drain, which is the blue hose, and that red hose with the cap on it is my low point drain. I like to let some water run through that also in case there's some antifreeze sitting in this hose here. I don't like it to possibly mix up. So I'm just going to open that. I'm going to let that drain a little bit, and we're done with the pressurized system. We're going to move to the freshwater tank. Okay, the next thing I did is I connected the freshwater hose to my freshwater gravity-fed tank. So I'm going to put about 10 gallons of water into the freshwater tank, and I'm going to do the same thing. Once that's full, I'm going to turn on the water pump, and I'm going to run water through each of the faucets. Okay, now comes the most important part. You got to remember this is potable water. Some people, they'll never drink the water out of their freshwater tank on their coach. We do. Long as it's maintained and filtered properly, it's fine. But you have to maintain it, and that includes sanitizing it. So the way to sanitize it is with regular, good old-fashioned house bleach. You're going to use 1/4 cup to 15-gallon capacity of your freshwater tank. Now this is 45 gallons, so I'm going to use 3/4 cup of bleach. Then I'm going to fill it up with water. Once I do that, I'll run every faucet so there's the bleach mixture in all the lines, and I'm going to let it sit. Now you want to have some water in a tank before you put the bleach in. You can even mix the bleach mixture in a pitcher and then pour it in with some water, but as long as you have some water in the tank first, and then we're going to add the rest of the water to fill the freshwater tank completely up. We want the freshwater tank completely filled to the top. And what we're doing is going to sanitize that whole system. I'm going to reconnect the freshwater fill and turn the water on and wait till it fills up. Okay, as you can see, de-winterizing the plumbing system, pretty simple. You flush the system, then I filled the freshwater tank up with a bleach solution of 1/4 cup bleach to 15 gallons of water. So each rig is going to be different, but I have a 45-gallon freshwater tank, so that's 3/4 cup of bleach. I've run each faucet until I smell that bleach mixture come out. Now I'm going to let it sit for about 8 hours. Once I let it sit, I'll drain the freshwater tank. I will fill it up with fresh water. I'll run fresh water through all the faucets and the shower, and then I will drain the freshwater tank of that water, and then I'll be ready to go. If you have any questions, hit me up below. I will leave a link below to my website for a complete checklist for dewinterizing your coach. And again, that has everything to do with checking your roof seals, your tires, your generator, everything. It's a great printout. It's on one sheet of paper if you want it. Okay, as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.